Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to install Google Wallet on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So here I have a Galaxy A36 5G, but it's the same for the most of the Samsung phones. And if you want to install Google Wallet on your phone, it is very easy. To do that, you need to have a Google account on your phone and then just go to Play Store and here tap on search. And here in the search bar, just type Google Wallet. Okay. And here there is. Now tap install, wait for a few seconds. And it's over, just tap open. And here allow Google Wallet to send you a notification. And now you need to add a payment card. If you tap on add to wallet, also we can add a transport pass, a loyalty card, gift card, and a photo to create a digital pass from a photo of a barcode or QR code. Now, here in the top, we have the profile icon. And here also we have some payment setup. And if you go here, you can set a payment card. Also, you need to have NFC turned on. You can set Google Pay as your default payment method, and you need to set a screen lock. I already did that. And here we have some settings, and from here you can update your name, address, or other account info. You can add passes for Gmail and manage wallet notifications. Okay. So, in my opinion, it is very easy to install this app. You will find the Google Wallet here, where are all the apps, and you can add a shortcut on your screen. I will show you in the next video how to do it. I hope this video to be useful for you. Please let me in the comment area how it's working for you, and see you to the next video. Have a nice day.